When you go to a library to borrow a book, the librarian enters details such as your name, the name of the book, and the date on which you borrowed the book in the computer. The information entered into the computer is called data. Data can be numbers, letters, pictures, or sounds. Let's look at how data is entered, processed, and stored in the computer. First, the data is entered into the computer using keyboard. In the next step, the entered data is sent to the CPU for processing. Do you remember the full form of CPU? The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The CPU works on the data to give meaningful information. This is called processing. During processing, the CPU will do different calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. After processing, the result is stored in the computer memory. The computer has a large amount of memory. A computer has storage devices like hard disk, RAM, CD, and DVD to store the data. After processing, the result is shown by the computer. This is called output. The computer can display the output in two ways: soft copy and hard copy. The result shown on the monitor is called soft copy. The result shown on printed paper is called hard copy. There are different devices connected to a computer. These devices are of two types: input devices and output devices. Mouse and keyboard are input devices. They allow you to enter information into the computer. The joystick used to play games and the digital pen used to write words are input devices. Now, let's learn about the output devices. Output devices helps to show the result or output. Virtual display unit, commonly known as monitor, is an output device. The monitor looks like a TV screen. Printer is another popular output device. The printer is used to print the output on paper. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.